Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make an easy and effective morning fat melter drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Cilantro or coriander is a very fragrantful herb and it's very rich in antioxidants. You can easily get this herb all around the year and also in all places. Let's check out how to make an effective morning weight loss drink using this cilantro. Take a bunch of cilantro leaves. You can either use it as such or remove the leaves from the stem and then use them. In both cases, wash the cilantro in water to remove any kind of impurities. Once you are done with the washing, add the cilantro leaves to a mug like this. Then to this add 1 cup of water. Make sure the cilantro is fully immersed in water. These leaves has quercetin, which helps to boost metabolism and also helps to detoxify your body. This in turn helps to eliminate excess toxin and thus helps in weight loss. Cover it with a lid and let this rest overnight. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. In the morning, remove the lid and the essence and benefits of the cilantro is well extracted to the water. Now remove the cilantro bunch from the water. In case you added the leaves, you can strain it. The cilantro leaves can be used in your cooking. It definitely retains the fragrance, hence it can be used for seasoning. Then to this add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon improves digestion and reduces water retention. Now early morning weight loss drink is ready. Have this drink first thing in the morning in empty stomach and you can have your breakfast after 45 minutes after consuming this. Be on a balanced diet throughout the day and you will observe reduction in body weight in just few days. This weight loss water is low calorie beverage and a great detox drink. This helps to stabilize blood sugar levels, fight against infection and promote brain, skin and digestive health. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or breastfeeding or if you have low blood pressure levels or if you have a scheduled surgery. This drink a day boosts your immunity and you can lose up to 7 kgs in 15 days. So do try this fat melter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.